Hello, skin fairies and wizards. It is me, Kristen Marie, your skincare fairy godmother. The winter season has finally ended, and I wanted to share with you a gentle reset ritual designed to refresh the skin and restore your glow. My Bloom and Sculpt Spring Facial can be done in 50 minutes for first time or returning subjects, but feel free to modify as needed. And remember, this video is simply for education and inspiration. As we begin, I like to set the tone not only for your experience watching this, but also for this new season you're entering. As the days grow longer again and the sun shines more, we invite in calm and grounding energy and release anything the skin, your spirit, or heart has been holding on to. Remember to slow down and allow yourself to receive. You are not meant to struggle in this lifetime, and just as the flowers bloom and the butterflies transform without wondering why or how, so should you. We are all blossoming at our own pace. Now take a deep breath and release. Repeat this affirmation. I am supported and taken care of and exactly where I need to be. This is my client, Carlin. She's a busy mommy and was in need of a reset and some relaxation. Her skin overall is in good health, but she's expressed she'd like to slow aging, target congestion in the T-zone, and see more of an even skin tone throughout her face. So I think this Bloom and Sculpt treatment is perfect, and it left her with hydrated, soft skin. Now let's get started. We begin with a gentle cleanse to refresh the skin, using a creamy daily pomegranate cleanser to remove any buildup from the day and purify while maintaining hydration. For this step, I'm using a custom purifying cleanse, blending a brightening cleanser with a cooling clay mask from Lemieux to gently detox and refine the skin, helping also to lift away buildup and leaving the complexion smooth, clear, and radiant. Place my name, Kristen Marie, in the referral box if you decide to open a pro account with Lemieux and receive a free gift. But you can also use the link below to purchase these directly from my storefront. Good. Next, I'm applying a gentle enzyme treatment infused with a nourishing probiotic mask. Apply a light, even layer to the face and let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes. This mixture will support healthy microbiome while softly exfoliating with mandelic and lactic acids and hydrates the skin. You'll definitely notice a more healthy, radiant glow from this magical skincare cocktail. After removing the enzyme mask with a warm towel, apply the Zemet Solid Pure Pro Serum to continue to soften any debris in the pores so that the extractions are more seamless and less painful. You can also choose to perform the hydrodermabrasion device, but make sure to be extra delicate with the skin. For this shorter service, I skipped straight to the extractions using the Zemet Skin Expert Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. Be sure to use code Kristen for a discount on anything Zemet's products or devices. Being able to customize a treatment for your clients, like how I've been doing in this service, is a really invaluable skill to have in the treatment room. And that's one of many things that I'll be going over in my in-person training series in the fall. So if you want more information, check out the link below, and I hope to see you there. This peptide-infused eye treatment helps to firm, depuff, and hydrate the delicate eye area, with full coverage that stays in place to maximize results. Using the Zemmet cell type for a microcurrent sculpting step to tone, firm, and enhance natural definition. For a full tutorial on how to use it, you can watch the video linked below. We're finishing the Bloom and Sculpt Spring Facial by layering serum, moisturizer, and of course sun protection. If you're a viewer in the San Francisco Bay Area and are in need of a gentle reset like this for both the skin and mind, we will be offering this treatment until June or while supplies last. Check out the links below. Thank you, beauties, so much for watching to the very end. Comment some fairy emojis so I know that you made it here. Please also subscribe and like this video if you are new to my channel. I'm sending you all of the love, light, and good energy until I see you next. Bye.